Urethral discharge is what kit, guys? So we have discussed this STI kits in dermatology, right? But you can get this question in PSM as well. तो मुझे बताइए यूरेथ्रल डिस्चार्ज किस में आता है? रिमेंबर यूरेथ्रल इज यूनी, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी किट 1. Vaginal V is going to be 2. So vaginal discharge comes in your kit 2. This is going to be kit 1. And obviously, again, you rule out the options here. Okay. What is that? Watch Suhail, watch dermatology Shorsha. There I've discussed the kits and the STIs. बताओ ये क्या है? बेंजाथीन पेनिसिलिन होगा क्या इसमें? बेंजाथीन पेनिसिलिन किसके लिए होता है? सिफिलिस के लिए. What does syphilis cause? Chancre, the ulcer. Do we have this for ulcer? Is the ulcer the presenting complaint here? No, this is for ulcer, right? So this is going out. Again, you have acyclovir, that's for herpes. Hum 5, herpes is 5 wala. That is going to be kit 5. That's going to be herpes here, red color wala kit. That is also gone. Now you have azithromycin. Azithromycin, you know that azithromycin काफी सारी kits में except for few, like kit 6 में नहीं है, acyclovir वाले में नहीं है, benzathine में नहीं है, बाकी सब में है. Then is it cefixime or is it doxycycline? Now how do you decide is when I say urethral discharge, right, in males, what is the organism you think commonly? You also think of gonorrhea. You know that creamy, profuse discharge, urethral discharge. And for gonorrhea, you know that cephalosporins are very good, right? So that is why cefixime is going to fit in here. Okay, so this is going to be azithromycin and cefixime. That is how your thought process has to go when you are solving this question. Is this clear with everyone? Yes, SG, correct. So gonorrhea ke liye, remember cephalosporin is very important basically for Neisseria, right? And that's why that's one of a recent question also कि you know इसका resistance दिख रहा है Neisseria में, cephalosporin resistance और वो सब हो रहा है. Azithro comes with doxy, right here when the patient is allergic to penicillin. Then you have this azithro and doxycycline which is allergic वाला kit 4, उसमें आ जाएगा ये.